Joseph. Say hi, Joseph.
Hi.
Now it's time to do the crash challenge. Well, I did this earlier and
You made a crack.
this is what happened.
Never do this without a parent adult. And
Shut up, Joseph.
And give another
Shut up, Joseph. Not a lot of damage. Of course, that was damage. But I'm gonna. If you want to
make epic fail videos.
Shut up, Joseph. No one wants to hear you talk.
Nobody wants to hear you say it. What happened to it? Then they're not gonna do it.
Well, what happened was it crashed. We crashed it and now it's all broken and stuff. And I went
Down all the way to the bottom.
all the way over here, and then it went all the way down there. That's like 50 feet?
50, yeah.
50 feet down there.
And I'm gonna be the one who's gonna be driving the truck.
You're gonna kill him.
You already killed half of it.
Shut up, Joseph. No one wants to hear you talk. Okay.
I'm gonna go.
Going in 3, 2, 1, go. What a fail. You can't even get it down there.
Hey, that's more bigger than yours last time.
Really? Mine went all the way down there. Yours just went right here.
Down there.
You suck.
Down there's an epic fail. Yeah.
Now it's time to do it in first person. Ready, set, go. It finally made it down.
Let's see if there's any crashes or brokes.
Brooks isn't even a word.
You
Do you
Look it
know
up. Look it
English?
Look it up in the dictionary. Have you ever heard? Never mind.
This is YouTube.
Never
You
mind.
can't say that on YouTube.
Okay.
Okay, come on. Now it's my turn. You go down there. I don't trust you with the camera. No.
That's a thumb.
YouTube needs to know you suck. It really does. Really?
You didn't want that epic pranks.
I didn't.
What epic pranks? At school.
What epic pranks?
Just give me the Just give me some.
Okay. Request what you want, and I'll do it. We just dropped some batteries. Where did the back go?
What?
There's a back. What happened to the back? How did it come off?
Just go get the battery.
You go get the batteries.
Why do I have to keep going get the dumb
Oh
battery?
my god. You're too lazy.
Hey, I keep doing it.
And if you request anything, I can do it. No, I'm not throwing it up.
Hey, we play baseball together.
For 3 years.
No.
Says the guy that was catcher.
I was
first.
I was better than catcher. I was the best at catcher. Now I'm in second base.
Oh my gosh.
Epic surgery.
So, if you guys request in the comments down below, then I'll probably do it. And subscribe. If you are into Jacksepticeye, Markiplier, or any other YouTuber, subscribe to me. If you want me to start a reaction channel, I'll have to do that.
With me.
No, not you. You suck.
Ah!
YouTube doesn't want your face in there.
They don't. You have to.
This is YouTube.
I'm gonna go.
YouTube is life.
I'm gonna go down. I'm gonna go right here.
And if you want me to do live streaming, then request that. But apparently, I do.
When are we gonna go? When are you gonna go back to my house?
No.
You're messed up. We were just out. Get your bun.
You suck. Alright.
Go on, let's go.
And now we're gonna do it in my first person perspective.
And never do it backwards.
Ready?
Because that's how the back Nice.
Totally made.
Oh,
And no scratches?
just the windows.
Well,
Guess what? You want to think? My first time I failed. And
you always fail.
hey, the second one
You're a noob. Noob.
Oh, they should come out.
You just disgraced YouTube. Come here. I'm gonna hit you with the camera. Come here. Oh my gosh! How dare you? That is a private space. You.
Okay, can I do it now?
Oh, that doesn't count as a win. You're still new. There's maybe a room. No, I'm just kidding. That's copyright. Copyright. Shout out to Joseph right here.
Hello.
The noob. That called YouTube. So
If you're
Yeah.
my friend, hi. My school.
oh my gosh, that is so ghetto.
You're ghetto too.
Your face is ghetto.
Oh.